how to add a credit card to Bank of America app. Let's get started. First up, download Bank of America app. Once completion of its download process, launch it, provide your account's credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the account section on the main dashboard or tap the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines, to access additional options. In the account section, there should be an option to add account or link account. Select this option. You may need to enter your credit card information, credit card number, security code, and other required information about your card such as expiration date and your billing address. After entering your credit card details, you might be prompted to verify your card. Verification can be done via a text message, email, or through a security question that is set up when you created your online banking account. Once your card is verified, confirm the addition. Your credit card should now appear in your list of accounts in the Bank of America app. By adding your credit card to Bank of America app, you gain the convenience of managing your finances anytime, anywhere directly from your mobile device. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.